Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and today let's take a look at the past modal could have. First of all, I want to talk about the pronunciation. Could have is usually contracted as could've, could've, could've. And in American English, we usually pronounce could've as coulda, coulda. We use could have when we make a guess about something that happened in the past. Imagine you have a coworker who didn't come to work and didn't call. You can make a guess about what happened using could have. Well, I know he went to the bar last night, so he could have forgotten to set the alarm. You know, he could have gotten stuck in traffic and maybe he doesn't have his phone. Hey, he could have won the lottery and decided never to come back to the office. We also use could have when there was a possibility for you to do something in the past, but you didn't do it. So, could have means there was a missed opportunity. I could have gone to the gym, but I was feeling lazy, so I stayed home. Why did you buy a new bicycle? You could have had mine. I told you nobody's using it. I could have gotten to work on time, but I overslept. The negative form is could not have or couldn't have. We use couldn't have when something was not possible in the past. Maybe you wanted to do that, but it wasn't possible. I couldn't have gone to the gym. It's been closed for renovations. Even if I had enough money, I couldn't have bought that guy's car. He decided not to sell it. I couldn't have won the race. All of the other runners were at the professional level. And finally, we also use could have or couldn't have to show that we're angry or disappointed with someone. Did you need to laugh when I fell down? You could have helped me get up, you know. Grandma is upset that you missed her birthday. I was away on business. You could have called her. Well, that's it for could have. In the next lesson, we're going to take a look at should have. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.